guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to jump on real quick and I guess end the series to my hair lightening experiment. So the idea was that I mix chamomile tea and lemon juice. If you want to see the exact concoction and me making it and putting it in my hair, that's in part 1. I'll link it here. But this is just to like wrap up the results. So I kept a log of all the times I applied the solution in my hair, because what sort of scientist would I be if I didn't? Yeah, 5 times. I'll put here before and after photos. So I took them the same time of day, obviously weeks apart, but like the same time of day, the same location in my house. It's going to be similar lighting. It was both sunny days on both days. And what's funny is because when I went to take the after photos, I was like, hang on, my hair looks darker than it was beforehand. And my before photos, I was wearing a black shirt. And originally I took the after photos wearing like a sage green top. And then I was like, you know what, I'll change back into the top I was in my before photos. And it actually made such a difference. So I don't know if this is a tip, but if you want your hair to look lighter, wear a darker shirt and then your hair will like contrast against it and look lighter. So yeah, when I changed into the same top I was wearing in my before photos, yeah, it did look lighter, but like it didn't look lighter in comparison to the before photos. I didn't really notice, like I don't see a noticeable difference in my hair. If I'm being completely honest, I like psyched myself up. I was like, maybe I noticed like a half shade, you know, difference, but really I think it's all in my head. I honestly, you know, can't see any before after like noticeable difference. If you try this, I hope it works for you. I just don't really think it worked for me, but that's okay. But yeah, I'm not sure, maybe you really do need the sunshine to like activate it. I just don't see much sun really, if I'm honest. I use the hairdryer sometimes. 4 of the 5 times I use the hairdryer to like dry it to like 90% dry. So it had that heat, but yeah, maybe you do actually need the sun to activate it, or maybe it's just my hair, you know, I have no idea. Or maybe you just need to do it for like more than 5 applications. But I guess for me, I want maximum effect in minimal effort. All about that minimal effort. So, you know, this is not something for me. It did leave like a little bit of a residue. It wasn't sticky, so that was alright, but it did make my hair feel like a bit like straw. It's not the case now. I don't have it in now and it feels really soft again. So it's just temporary when the solution was actually in it. But yeah, I just didn't enjoy having anything in my hair. I will say though, I did buy this hydrogen peroxide. Yeah, I did buy this. It's just available in supermarkets and it's just 3%. Hydrogen peroxide is an ingredient, like the main ingredient to most of those like sun-in products, those like lightening products made to like bring out your highlights and that sort of thing. Yeah, I've got to do a lot more research on like how to use it. My goal is kind of just like a little bit lighter and just like a ombre effect. My main priority is not to just like dye my hair all one color like right to the root and then have that root like grow out just like a straight line. That's definitely not what I want to do. So yeah, more research is needed on that, but I just wanted to pop on and wrap up the experiment because I'm definitely not going to continue out to 6 weeks. Yeah, that was like 5 applications in like 2 weeks. And yeah, I'd sort of had enough after that and couldn't really see any noticeable difference to continue it. Thanks guys for following along. I hope you enjoyed this little experiment. If you have any tips for using hydrogen peroxide, let me know. But yeah, thanks for following along and see you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye.